Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it's not gonna be a typical educational video. Instead, we are gonna solve a real world problem. And you might get an answer to one of the most important questions, so stick around till the end and figure it out. So, you're thinking about getting a computer science degree? Big question, right? Is it still worth it, or are you better off learning everything from the YouTube University? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the job market. Where's my dream job? So let's start with the harsh truth. Competition in computer science is real. I'm talking about thousands of people applying for the same job, fighting for the attention like it's Black Friday at Walmart. You got the folks with PhD, LeetCode wizards, and the intern who know more about Kubernetes than your professor. Yeah, that guy. But seriously, even the hiring system are wild. Ever heard of that manager who submitted his own resume to his company's AI system and got rejected? Well, that's the state of thing. The robots have taken over people. Now let's talk about the interview nightmare. Freshers, beware. Remember when freshers used to get asked about bubble sort and fizzbuzz? Not anymore. No, now you walk into your first interview and bam, they hit you with the LeetCode hard and expect you to design a fully scalable system that runs a unicorn farm on AWS. You are fresh out of college, but they expect you to have the skills of Tony Stark, Steve Jobs, and Bill Gates, all combined. You don't know TypeScript? Rejected. Okay, now let's talk about what exactly is computer science degree anyways. Let's clear this up. A computer science degree is not a software engineering degree. It's more like learning the theories of how computers think. So you can think about computers and think about thinking about computers. But software engineering, that's real world stuff. You're designing, building, testing, and maybe crying a little as the bugs pile up. If you just want to build cool apps, well, you are in the wrong class, buddy. The computer science department is like, here are some theories about your machine, blah, blah, blah. Good luck. Let's talk about the AI. Now, AI is here to stay, but is it a friend or frenemy? Look, if you're a solid software engineer, AI is your supercharged sidekick. But if you are that coder who know only how to write simple codes and you copy paste from Stack Overflow every time, yeah, AI is going to snatch your job faster than you can say 404 error. But wait, it's not all bad. AI is kind of like Jarvis to your Iron Man suit. It learns from us humans, so you can use it to code faster, better, and still look cool while doing it. Just make sure you are solving problems and not making it look like you are solving problems. Now let's unveil the slumber party. The experience of college. College. You're paying tens of thousands of dollars for a 4-year slumber party? You will learn how to survive on caffeine and instant ramens, and your professor will introduce you to the concept that you will immediately forget after exams. Your real professor? YouTube tutorials, free coding bootcamps, and that one guy on Stack Overflow who answered everything. Bless his heart. So, was it worth all the cash you've paid for degree? Well, we'll leave that up to you. Okay, I guess by now your BP has gone low. Now let me fix it by talking about some pros. Yes, there are some pros. Okay, there are some benefits to computer science degree. It's not a doom and gloom. You'll probably make connections with people in the industry, aka you will get to know that guy who knows a guy who knows a guy who can refer you. Networking, FTW. And you will learn how to learn. That's super important. Quick learning is key. Especially in tech, where today's hard programming language is tomorrow's dinosaur. And it's a secret, but you will maybe get a slight advantage over people without degree when you're applying for a job. Maybe. Okay, so now you're charged again, but I can't see you like that. So let me talk about cons, and let's be real. So on the flip side, you won't necessarily become a software engineer just because you got a degree. In fact, it's more like 95% luck and 5% hard work. Why? Because the job to applicant ratio is, let's say, yikes. You might need to bribe a genie to even get an interview. Now let's conclude this topic. Is it worth it? So what's the final verdict? Should you drop tens of thousands of dollars on computer science degree or just go straight to YouTube University and call it a day? Well, it depends on you. If you are looking for the theory and want to dive into AI, quantum computing, or academia, it is worth it. But if you want to jump straight to software engineering, maybe you'll learn skills on your own, build a portfolio, and get those sweet referrals. So is computer science degree still worth it? Drop your comments below, share your experiences, and thanks for making up till here.